Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Cuccio Pro and this is part of their sorbet collection. So the first one is in the shade Lavender Sorbet. Next is Dragonfruit Sorbet. And here is Blueberry Sorbet. And lastly, we have Pistachio Sorbet. And for the liquids, I will be using my Future Nails base as well as their activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails. This will remove the natural oil on my nails. And then next, I move on to my base and I apply a thin layer of this to my nail and immediately dip my nail into the powder and top off the excess. So I will be applying 3 coats of this Lavender Sorbet on my pointy nail. So then once I'm finished with the third coat of Lavender Sorbet on my pointy nail, and then I move on to the Dragonfruit Sorbet and I will be applying 3 layers of this on my middle nail. And then for my ring nail, I will be using the Blueberry Sorbet and again, I will be applying 3 layers of this. So then once I'm finished with Blueberry Sorbet, I'll move on to Pistachio Sorbet and I will be applying this on my pinky and thumb. And again, I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this on my nails and I'll be back. So then once I'm finished with the 3 coat of Pistachio Sorbet, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my clear powder. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base to my nails and then immediately dip my nails into the clear powder and top off the excess. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails. This will protect your colors from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and move on to my activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. This will harden the powders and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I buff and file off camera, and then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. And then next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat. So I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. Obviously, this is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.